What summer without date night activities?
Hey, 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 we have something to tell you. Before we get into the video, we have something to tell you.
We save money.
What heap of money? We're saving money, oh. And we're going to tell you how we do it.
Stuff from the curves. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs. 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 Go Bria, go Ben, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs.
Welcome back, guys, to another video. Before we get into today's video, we have some exciting news to share with you. Listen, we cannot keep it to ourselves. We have to share it with you and you and you and you and all of you watching right here on Stuff from the Cuffs. We're saving money.
Yeah, we spoke about it earlier because we're a part of the
JN Water Project. That's JN Foundation's Water Project 2023. And we've been saving money.
Thank you, Jesus.
Hallelujah. So we've been saving money on our water bills, and let me tell you, when we just started the project, so I have it on my phone so I don't get it wrong. When we just started the project, our water bill was $5,207. You got that? Which was a few months ago, 3 months ago, 4 months ago. Yeah, $5,207. And our latest water bill is, are you ready for it? Drum roll, please. That's not drum, babe. That's the cymbal.
I know about that drum.
And him still do the cymbal. Our current water bill is $1,394. Ow, you mash up my head? Listen, we're saving money and we're so excited about it.
And we're taking care of the earth.
Yes, we are. Because I never realized that saving money on our water bills was this easy. And by easy, I mean we're just implementing a few things and being consistent with it. Yeah. And you remember in our unboxing video, we'll look at the recap, yeah? The aerators, yes. the water efficient shower heads and all of that. We installed them in our home and we are reaping the benefits.
We're teaching the girls how to save water when you're brushing your teeth or washing your hands. So we are ensuring that it's a generational situation. It's not just starting and ending with us, but our children will know how to save water as well.
And to help you learn a little bit more about saving water, we have a little game that we want to play. So Brian and I have written 3 questions each.
Only 3? Make up about 10.
3 questions each that surrounds saving water, and by doing this we hope that you learn a thing or two about saving water and apply these to your daily lives so that you can also save money on your water bills. And we just want to big up JN Foundation for having us on board this project, because let me tell you, if it wasn't for them and if it wasn't for us being so intentional about saving water and with the information that we've gotten from JN Foundation, I don't think we would have been in this position. We would just be going on like so. And so, big up JN Foundation. Grateful. All right. So, my first question.
No. Let's see who will go first.
All right. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, so.
I'm going first.
All right, go ahead.
All right.
So, it's multiple choice questions. That's what you should have done.
That's what I did.
Okay.
Ensuring availability of water for future generations is A, a strategy of conservation of water, B, a key activity of water conservation, C, a goal of water conservation, or D, none of the above.
What kind of pep question? Come again.
A.
No, read the question again.
Ensuring availability of water for future generations is a strategy of water conservation, a key activity of water conservation, a goal of water conservation, or none of the above.
B, a key strategy of water
I
conservation.
never asked about key strategy. You're putting two of them together. A, a strategy. B, a key activity. C, a goal. Or D, none of the above.
C, a goal. Correct? So
About
clap me
key
now.
strategy.
Me no
What
know.
a merge. Should I say it's a key strategic goal?
Okay. All right. My question. When washing your car, what should you do?
Soap it up first.
Hold on. No. You're not. No. I have the multiple choice.
Sorry.
So these questions are with water conservation in mind. All right. When washing your car, what should you do? Keep the hose running to ensure you get off all the dirt while washing quickly. Spray off the car first to get off all the dirt, then use a bucket of soapy water to do the heavy washing. Or spray with water, wash it off with soapy water, and then spray rinse again quickly.
You all know which one I do?
No. Again, when washing your car, what should you do? Keep the hose running to ensure you get off all the dirt while
No,
washing
it's not
quickly.
that one.
Spray off the car first to get off all the dirt. Then use a bucket of soapy water to do the heavy washing. Or spray with water, wash with soapy water, and then spray again quickly.
I know it's not A. And C is tricky because why are you going to spray soap and then spray again, which is wasting water? I think the bucket. I've always heard use the bucket.
Right. So the correct answer, you are correct. Spray off the car first to get off the dirt,
No, I do this.
and then use the bucket of soapy water, and then you use a bucket to rinse it off.
This will help me save in the future again.
Okay.
Alright. Stop looking at my questions. Why do we need to conserve water? A. There's a lot of water. B. It is an unlimited resource. C. It is a limited resource. And D. To save money.
C and D.
One of them.
I go again.
A. There's a lot of water.
Read
B,
the question now.
why do we need to conserve water? A. There's a lot of water. B. It is an unlimited resource. C. It is a limited resource. And D. To save money.
C, it's a limited resource. Adding on, we need to save money.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's important to save money.
Yes,
But
but
yes,
it's a limited resource. Especially in today's day and age where the water restrictions are in place, etc. And water is...
I think one of the things is
Low.
it's the earth, I think, is made up of 75% of water. But I think a lot of times we forget that it's not usable water. It's salt
Right,
water. It's water
right,
doing
yeah.
other things. So it's not unlimited, okay?
Right. What does an efficient shower head not do?
Burp. Wastewater.
Those aren't my answers. What does an efficient shower head not do? Restricts the flow of water, filters water, or regulates water pressure?
Not do.
Not do.
No filter water. It's not a filtration device. I went to school.
Right, so
Okay.
it restricts the flow of water without
Okay.
compromising the comforts that you're used to,
Okay.
and it regulates your water pressure.
Spell aerator.
You have to give me multiple choice. A-E-R-A-T-O-R. Alright,
I never
my
remember
third
it's multiple
question.
choice.
So my third question.
I pass.
How do you clean your driveway? You power wash it
I don't got no power.
so that you finish quickly. You turn down the water pressure and
make it
then
run.
clean it swiftly, or you just sweep it.
Just sweep it. I use no water
We're
to clean
saving
our driveway.
water.
I use no water. When it rains, catch
It
some water
pours.
and you wash it off.
Or when it rains, hope to the rain blow in and wash it off.
Yeah, I use no
Because
water
if
to
I
clean my
catch any
driveway.
water, I am not going to use it to do
Sorry.
that. Yeah,
I hope by doing this quiz, I have now saved some more money, did I?
I think so. And I hope that we've helped you to save more money because we've been on this journey of water conservation with the JN Foundation, and we're so grateful. We have installed water efficient shower heads around the home. We've also installed aerators around the home. We've used the toilet test.
Just to ensure that you're not
Your
leaking, there's no leak.
Your tank is not leaking. We've used that to ensure that our toilet tank is not leaking, because you'd be surprised at the amount of money that we're giving away, wasting by having that leak in place. And we plan to do other things, because if we can get our bill down from 5,000 odd to 1,000 something,
$100.
down at $200 I want to get the bill. So JN Foundation, we thank you, and we hope that you who are watching, you've learned something, and you can run on over to waterprojectja.com and you can learn more about water conservation as we continue this partnership with the JN Foundation.
We are save money. Nobody waste water and donny. We are save some money.
Welcome.
Alright, Cufflinks, it's time to see some behind the scenes and some preparation videos of Basilia as she prepares to host the Gospel Star for the 3rd straight year. Have fun! Then we took the girls out to Token Escape in Manchester for a fun time out. Here are some snippets. Leave her in here, Daddy. Leave her in here, Daddy. Viejo.